What power do both central and state governments share regarding the concurrent list? A. Power to amend laws. B. Power to make laws. C. Power to veto laws. D. Power to enforce laws only. The correct answer is B. Power to make laws. Which feature of the Raksha Safe Drive device allows for location tracking? A. Two-way call connectivity. B. Smart panic button. C. Engine health monitoring. D. GPS tracking. The correct answer is D. GPS tracking. When was the Indian Coast Guard established? A. 1971. Born in 1978. Circa 1982. D. 1990. The correct answer is born in 1978. What is a factor for a town to be declared a corporation? A. High revenue. B. Low population. C. Low revenue. D. Low infrastructure. The correct answer is A. High revenue. What type of flower is mentioned as having a very special structure? A. Tulip. B. Lotus. C. Sunflower. D. Rose. The correct answer is B. Lotus. What is the primary function of the legislative branch of government? A. Makes laws. B. Enforces laws. C. Advises the executive. D. Interprets laws. The correct answer is A. Makes laws. What type of horn is permitted for vehicles? A. Loud and irritating horn. B. Air horn. C. Multitone horn. D. Electronic horn. The correct answer is D. Electronic horn. Which year has the lowest female literacy rate listed? A. 1951. Born in 1961. Circa 1981. D. 1971. The correct answer is A. 1951. What is the primary purpose of governments enacting laws and implementing schemes? A. To control the judiciary. B. To consolidate political power. C. To increase tax revenue. D. To promote the welfare of the people. The correct answer is D. To promote the welfare of the people. What method was exercised to elect members to village councils using a secret ballot? A. Not specified in text. B. Voice vote. C. Open voting. D. Hand raising. The correct answer is A. Not specified in text. What reason did Yaj give for needing to concentrate? A. He had homework to finish. B. He wanted to go to bed early. C. He had a test the next day. D. He had a project deadline. The correct answer is C. He had a test the next day. A group of laws enacted to protect consumer rights is known as what? A. Market legislation. B. Trade agreements. C. Business regulation. D. Consumer protection. The correct answer is D. Consumer protection. Which of the following is not mentioned as a location where women gathered in 1995? A. Beijing. B. The text mentions Beijing. C. Delhi. D. New York. The correct answer is D. New York. Which of the following is situated at Sikandra near Agra? A. Taj Mahal. B. Akbar's tomb. C. Humayun's tomb. D. Red Fort. The correct answer is B. Akbar's tomb. After which event does the President of India appoint the Council of Ministers? A. After the budget presentation. B. After a constitutional amendment. C. After the general elections. D. After a judicial review. The correct answer is C. After the general elections. The text mentions a specific type of work related to the restoration of ban on employment of women. What is it? A. Factory work. B. Agricultural work. C. Underground work in coal mines. D. Construction work. The correct answer is C. Underground work in coal mines. What role do political parties play in making laws for the country? A. They only advise on laws. B. They only enforce laws. C. They have no role in lawmaking. D. They have a decisive role in making laws. The correct answer is D. They have a decisive role in making laws. Who was laughing along with those teasing Kavin? A. Kavin's uncle. B. The children on the slide. C. Vimlan. D. The friends. The correct answer is C. Vimlan. Where is the central government located? A. Delhi. B. Chennai. C. Kolkata. D. Mumbai. The correct answer is A. Delhi. Which leader insisted on giving voting rights in India? A. Winston Churchill. B. Abraham Lincoln. C. Queen Victoria. D. Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is D. Mahatma Gandhi. Charlotte Cooper is associated with which country? A. Sri Lanka. B. USSR. C. United Kingdom. D. Japan. The correct answer is C. United Kingdom. The text asserts that violence against women cuts across which demographic factor in addition to caste, class, religion, and age? A. Political affiliation. B. Geographic location. C. Hobbies. D. Education. The correct answer is D. Education. What is one of the stated objectives for India's foreign policy regarding conflicts? A. Solving conflicts by peaceful means. B. Ignoring international disputes. C. Forming military alliances. D. Engaging in military action. The correct answer is A. Solving conflicts by peaceful means. How many ways of amendments are provided for in Article 368? A. 4. B. 3. C. 5. D. 2. The correct answer is B. 3. What is a characteristic of a defective product from a consumer's perspective? A. Standard quality. B. Unspecified expiry date. C. Wide availability. D. High price. The correct answer is B. Unspecified expiry date. What is one of the roles of the Indian Army besides national security? A. Engaging in economic development projects. B. Managing national infrastructure. C. Providing diplomatic services. D. Conducting humanization rescue operations. The correct answer is D. Conducting humanization rescue operations. Which year is cited for Jawaharlal Nehru's selected speeches? A. 1947. Born in 1950. Circa 1961. D. 1946. The correct answer is circa 1961. What motion can the Legislative Assembly pass to remove the Council of Ministers if dissatisfied with its performance? A. A vote of support. B. A vote of censure. C. A no confidence motion. D. A vote of confidence. The correct answer is C. A no confidence motion. What activity preceded the development of agriculture for early humans? A. Trading. B. Fishing. C. Hunting. D. Herding. The correct answer is C. Hunting. What characteristic of a dolphin was mentioned that surprised some people? A. Its color. B. Its acrobatic nature. C. Its speed. D. Its size. The correct answer is B. Its acrobatic nature. How did you score?